Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So a couple months ago I went through my closet and did a little bit of a declutter, which you might have seen those videos that I've already posted. If not, I'll link them down below. So now that it's a couple months later, I still feel kind of overwhelmed by the amount of stuff that I have in my closet. I have been purchasing some more clothes, just kind of moving out all my old stuff, outdated, younger type of clothing out of my closet, and I'm trying to repurchase more clothes that are my style now. For a while there, I was kind of holding on to things that were more so sentimental, things that I might wear in the future but never really wear. So my closet is beginning to get a little bit more crowded again in just a matter of a couple months. I'm going to be going through my closet again and doing another declutter. So this whole week, that's what you'll be seeing from me. I really want to just kind of get these videos out of the way. I will not be filming any intros or outros to those videos. After I'm done with this series, I'm going to go through and do a little closet tour, just kind of show you how I organize everything and just a quick overview of what my closet looks like. Fair warning, it is very bad in this first video. And I really don't want to feel that way. Going into 2019, I want to feel nice and refreshed. I don't want to have too much clutter. I don't want to be hanging on to things just because. So this first video is going to be clothing items that you have already seen in my past declutter. I wanted to go through my tops again and just really get rid of the things that I've kept since that last declutter that I haven't even worn and that I just kind of changed my mind on whether or not I was holding on to it for memories or whatever. One category that I will not be going over again are my workout clothes, because I have a little pile of fitness clothes that I'm going through. I'm going to be working through those, trying them on again, seeing if I really like them. I'm just going to be doing it that way. And if I decide to declutter them, I might film them in a separate video, but as of right now, I'm not going to go through that. It's a very large category of my clothing. So I really hope you all enjoy these videos. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you can see the rest of the categories that I'm going through and decluttering. And if there's anything you want to see from me in the future, just leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to film it for you guys. And I will see you in a couple of days. Bye. I cannot even begin to explain how it got this way. It got this way. This is just terrible. Absolutely terrible. I cannot deal with this. It's crazy. It's crazy. And then this is a freaking mess. Like, I don't even have room for my laundry basket in my closet. So those are all clean. And then I'll just throw my dirty clothes here, and then I'm like, oh, I'll take them to the laundry room, whatever, but they just end up sitting there for a couple days and pile up. Same with him. So what I'm doing is getting rid of things that I might have held on to during my last declutter, whether it was for sentimental reasons or just things that I thought were unique to my collection, but I don't wear because they're too unique and I have nowhere to wear them to, if you know what I mean. So that's what this video is going to be. It's going to be more of a re-declutter type of thing. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. This hoodie tunic type sweater, I got this as a Valentine's Day present from my boyfriend a couple years back, and while I was in college I got a good amount of use out of it because when I'm in classrooms it was obviously cold, so I needed something to throw on, but now that I'm out of school I don't wear it anymore, so I don't need it. This was a Christmas present from my family a couple years ago. I have never worn it. I've maybe worn it once because I felt guilty, but I don't need it. These next two tank tops are very similar in color. This first one I got from Amazon. I never wear it. I don't need it. This second one I got from Fabletics. I've never worn it. Tags are still on it. I love the color, but it just is something that I've never worn, and I might as well sell it while I can get a little bit of more money out of it because it still has tags. This is really old. It's not even my style anymore. I got it from Target a couple years ago. Don't need it. This I'm going to actually keep. It's something that's relatively unique to my collection. I love the color. I don't have any tank tops that are quite like this color, and I love the open back design. This I really wanted to keep because of the fact that I spent $30 friggin' on it from Express, but I never wear it, so I'm just going to get rid of it. This I got while I used to work at Loft. This was from Ann Taylor, which is their sister store. It's really nice and comfortable. I have this in black that I'm still going to keep, but this blue one I don't need. I decided to keep this top. It's another unique piece to my collection that I do get quite a bit of use out of, especially if I'm feeling fancy that day. Gonna get rid of this one from American Eagle. It's a really pretty lace design, but it's just not something that I wear anymore. I did get a lot of use out of it. It's still in great condition,
but just not something that I wear. This is just a basic Abercrombie & Fitch top that I never wear at all. I don't think I've even worn it once. Waste of money. These next two tops I'm going to keep. This was similar to the other Ann Taylor one. Actually, it's the exact same, just in black. I wear this one a lot more than I wear that blue one. And then this one I figure I can use while working out. I really like it. It's a nice crop top with the open back design. I think it'll be pretty cute with some of my workout outfits. These next three tops are my sister's. They're hand-me-downs. I know these first two were hers. I think the third one was hers as well. Anyways, I've just been holding on to these for sentimental reasons, and I don't ever wear them anymore. I used to wear the first two a lot when I used to work at the bank, but now I don't wear them anymore. Just not something that I need. They're really cute, but I don't need them. They're just taking up space. I'm going to make a bundle out of these next few shirts because they're pretty similar in style, but I'm going to get rid of all of these. These are just basic American Eagle t-shirts. I like them. They're pretty colors, but again, just something that I don't wear, just taking up space. If I ever feel like I need something like this, I could just go out and buy another one. But for now, I don't need any of it. These next 10 shirts are going to be decluttered. This has like a little water stain on the front, but it's clean, I promise. This next one I said I was going to keep, but just something that I'm going to be getting rid of. I never wear it, and I have some other tops that are similar with that little peephole design in the front. This got a lot of love. It's very good condition, but it's just not something that I wear that often. I wore it a couple times on a couple different Valentine's Day, but other than that, it's just not something that I wear anymore, so I don't need it. I don't know what the hell I was thinking when I bought this. It reminds me of like a farmer shirt. I got this at TJ Maxx. I have never worn it. The tags are still on it. It's really pretty. If it didn't have this tie front in the design, I don't know what I'm saying. If it didn't have this tie design thing going on the front, I would have kept it because it is a nice blouse, but the whole tie on the front just kind of throws it off, so I really don't need it. This shirt is in very good shape still, but it is well loved. Again, just a top that I used to wear when I worked at my bank and just not something that I need. I don't ever remember wearing this shirt, so I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of it. It is nice, very soft, but just not something that I wear. It's brown, and I feel like I just don't look good in brown, so I think I got this at like a TJ Maxx or Marshall's. It's really cute, but it's just not me. Another hand-me-down I'm getting rid of. I remember specifically wearing this when I was in freshman year of high school. That was back in, oh God, when I first started it was 2007. So this is a very old shirt, and my sister wore it before then, so you can tell it's a long time. This is just a Hollister crop top. I don't wear it. This is actually navy blue and not black, but it's cute, but I don't need it. Same with these next two tops. I got these from Target. They're the Massimo brand, and it never gets cold here in Florida. If it does, it's only cold for a couple weeks, so I just don't need these. I'd been holding on to them because I had them for a couple years. They got some usage out of them, but I'd rather just sell them and get the money and get them the heck out of my closet. This top I'm going to keep. This had some strings in the front that I lost. You could tie it up, but I kind of like it with the little holes without the strings. So I'm going to go ahead and keep this top. And these next three cardigans I'm going to keep because, I don't know, I don't really have any cardigans. So, and these can go with a lot, except for this one. This is kind of unique, but I like them a lot, so I'm just going to keep them. Getting rid of this cardigan, I've never worn it. I took the tags off of it. I wish I would have kept them on, but it has this rib design in the front. It's kind of like a collar type thing that folds over. I don't know, it's hard to explain, but it's just not something that I wear. Getting rid of this loft jacket. It's hardly worn, but it was well loved. It got its usage, and I don't wear it anymore. I'm kind of on the fence about this one actually, but I'm pretty sure if someone makes an offer on Poshmark, I'll probably just accept it and sell it. I've worn this maybe once. It's just an American Eagle sweater / hoodie type thing. It's pretty comfortable, but it's actually kind of tight on me, so it just bothers me. This I'm going to keep. It's not something that I have in my collection, and with just some sticky boobs, it'll be really cute. So yeah, just one more thing I'm keeping.